The lifestyle that Riverside offers is pretty unbelievable. You've got schooling options everywhere, your own supermarket, and you're 10 minutes away from the Launceston CBD. And the home we're bringing to market today is the perfect for all sorts of buyers. We've got a 3-bed, 2-bath with a huge block, so whether you're an investor, a first home buyer, or just someone looking to downsize, this is something you're going to want to see. Welcome to 4 Butler Ave, and I'm Brad Ball from Parry Property. Get in touch with David or myself today to book an inspection. We look forward to seeing you here.